If you want a wireless mic without spending a fortune, this BOYA system is definitely worth a look. I've had mine for about a year now, and I've used it quite a bit for filming. In fact, the audio you're hearing right now is being recorded through this mic, so you can hear the sound quality for yourself. One of the things I really like is just how easy it is to use. You just plug the receiver into your phone or your camera, you turn on the mic, and it connects pretty much instantly. There's no messing around trying to pair it with Bluetooth every time you want to film. It just seems to connect, very easily. So you get two wireless mics, which is obviously useful if you're recording two people, but it's also really handy if you're just filming on your own because it means you've got a second mic charged up, ready to go. You also get the furry little windshields for filming outside, plus different adapters so you can use it with different devices. And everything lives together in this nice charging case, which keeps it neat and easy to carry around. For me, the biggest selling point is the price. It's much more accessible than some of the better-known wireless mic systems. And after a year, I never feel like I needed to upgrade it. So, would I buy it again? Yes, absolutely. If you want a simplest wireless mic that sounds good without spending a fortune, this one's a won't regret it.